We have to thank another TheStopHunter subscriber for this recommendation for chart of the day. American Battery Metals Corp, a US mining, extraction, recycling of battery metals company. The stock looks interesting. I want to dig into the technical analysis to find out a bit more on where they might be heading next. Hello, I'm Stephen Hode, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Well, they're a company that have seen better times. Now, ABML here on the weekly line chart, going back to 2016, the early part of that, where they went live as a public company. Price went up to just under $2 and then had a serious pullback all the way through really to the end of 2020. From there, the price skyrocketed up to nearly $4 before once again pulling off back into where those original highs were, just under the $2. Again, it recovered a bit more, trying to push on upwards to $2.50. Failed there, around about that 61.8% line before pulling back once more. And it has found support at $1.25 a few times in the last year. It's starting to recover slightly in the shorter term, but the key area there is probably that yellow box between $1.50 and $2. That's probably the no man's land of the price. Getting above there, that $2 mark, then $2.50, $3, and then up to the highs. Downside, where it's currently residing at the moment, next stop's about $1, just under. Then if it really fails from there, it's back down to those all-time lows at virtually nothing. The daily Heikin-Ashi chart, the signals, the two bottom lines, bullish, volatility picking up towards 100% annual, trading above its moving average, and volume round about its longer term moving average. Some reasonable volume for the size of the stock, 2.5 million. They're up onto the price. The trend has actually been down really since the beginning of the year, and then more sideways from the summer period, trading around the mean of the two standard deviation regression bands and within our pink box. So pretty neutral at the moment on the daily Heikin-Ashi, with a slight tinge of bullishness in the much shorter term. Now for the Renko chart, I'm using a 4 cents block size, and in terms of signals, we've got a bit of a mixed bag. We've got a regression that's bullish, we've got stochastic bearish, and we've got a RSI at the bottom there, just possibly ticking over to bullishness. We got the price trading below the longer term moving average, and we had a recent sell signal in our two pink line box breakout set up there, before moving back within it, so neutral-ish there. Sort of a general feel of sort of weak bearishness on the Renko chart in the shorter term. And in terms of Fibonacci targets, support, resistance zones, then to the downside, 1.1, 0.94, 0.71. To the upside, if you can get above that, say that 200 moving average, then we got 2, 2.5, and if it really starts to motor upwards, just over $3. But overall, it's got that feel of a bit of weakness in the shorter term. So overall, I'm going to give ABML a neutral score. Longer term, it is a lot more neutral than the shorter term, which we could see in the Renko chart being a little weak bearish. It had that feel to it. So nothing too exciting happening there in terms of price at the moment, and that's reflected in the targets. If we looked into those in a bit more detail, upside 0.75 and 2 to 1, downside 1 to 1, 2 to 1. So overall a neutral score. Please do keep those ideas coming in for chart of the day. Put them into the comments below and I will see what I can put together. Also in those comments below, let me know what you think of ABML in terms of analysis in the video and where you think they might be heading next, whether you trade them or not. If you've liked today's video, want to learn more about the analysis I've used, then I'll put a link in the description below for you to follow. And if you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.